Artlik Regional Committee ka Meghalaya bat Assam ki balai kendu kala sngiu balai hasilong ki larai balai jengok lang ya ki jaka ha kaput ki bahap ha kathan Langpih ha benai banwan kata hadien jong ka dorbar synrai jong ki yang dorbar thawain jong baro artli ki jela haba kren sikelat pathai kubor hadien ke jengke kendu jong ki Artlik Regional Committee Menteri ke Sarkar obadai ucaman ke Regional Committee na ke benda ke West Coast Hills District ke Bapol lengdo ulaya tu bahakani ke jingga kendu ulaya keren sapang ki jaka ki badon jingga ke jia ki ba kamar keliang ha ke balala ban kam penduna ya ki jaka ki badon ha ke kenrum kenram hakani ke jingga kendu na keliang Regional Committee ke bapet ya ke kamrup rura jongka Assam dalam kemat Menteri ke Sarkar Assam Chandra Mohan Patowary ubalong ucaman ke Regional Committee nalor ki MLA ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki ki officer jong baro artli ki jela ba pol ulaong bagi Regional Committee kin selai jengo ya ki jaka ha kaput ha swaban kut unailur kata andala kut ke dorbar synrai jong baro artli ki jela.
Visit the area unless you know the mindset of the people of that area, psyche of the people of that area, where they want to stay. So that way, let us visit the area, and after visiting the area, so we will be able to see that so and so number of village wants to stay in Meghalaya, so and so number of village wants to stay in Assam. So right at this moment, it will not be fair if we mention the number of the village.
So, have the regional committees decided on the villages to be visited by the two regional committees?
Yeah, joint visit.
Prior to
this joint visit, will there be any other meeting?
No. Today meeting, actually 2 rounds of meeting we had already. 1 round at Guwahati, and this is second round here. And we have exchanged our views at Guwahati also and here also. And now, actually in the third, you see, that we are going to visit the area. So before that, there will be no meeting, because already we have exchanged our views. Assam also exchanged views, Meghalaya also exchanged views. So that we have mentioned that both position to speak the number of the villages. If you are insisting, I am sorry.
But Meghalaya has already...
I am sorry for this, because first I say that it's a long-standing issues. So please people, either from electronic media or print media, please help us. This is your responsibility also, that this long-standing issue should be solved.
Some more light on the Assam part to the...
Okay, Assam, Meghalaya, but previously we were one state, no? Then after that, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram. So we are all brothers and sisters, So as brothers and sisters, we are discussing, and there will be a fruitful result after the discussion. Okay? And you are also part of that.
When will be the joint visit?
After assembly.
After the session. We had friends from the Assam Regional Committee led by Mr. CM Patowary is here, Honorable Minister of Forest and Environment and Chairman of the Regional Committee for the Kamrup sector. And he was joined. So, Honorable Minister, Mr. CM Patowary, Chairman of the Regional Committee, Kamrup sector, led the Assam side, was accompanied by senior officials, including the DC and SP of Kamrup district, and from the Regional Committee West Coast Hills sector, such areas, and to go to specifics, that is to go to the exact villages, names of villages or hamlets, the 2 DCs as well as the local MDC have been entrusted with the task of preparing a list, which will then the 2 regional committees will again meet after the end of the assembly session both Assam and Meghalaya have assembly sessions in the month of September. But towards the end of September, we will go for an on-site visit. The areas we will try to cater to 4 or 5 villages and choose a central point as the meeting point, and we then go on a few of these site visits in the month of September. So briefly, that was the content on the discourse that happened today. So, Mr. Patowary, anything? Now, Meghalaya came up with its own claim, Assam came up with its own claim, and we said narrow down. So when we said narrow down, it means those areas which are absolutely problem-free. Okay, they will come up with the list of these villages in the next meeting when we undertake the survey, the joint inspection on site.
So how many?
Be specific because these matters are hypersensitive. 2, we do not want needless controversy. 3, we do not want any groups with vested interests to then take advantage of the discussions because the discussions are ongoing.